Okay. So I accidentally opened the box. But we're going to go back to the beginning. All right, well, I repackaged this box. I did a goof. I accidentally thought I hit the record button, but I in fact did not. So this is an unboxing video, and I've already gone through it by accident. Rewind. So this, I reached out to a company called Sakura. Sakura, they make a bunch of pens and pens and other products. And so I reached out to them and said, hey, do you want to sponsor? Would you sponsor me? The representative said, what kind of supplies do you usually use from us? So I told them that I use a lot of their colored pens and other stuff like that. So it's hard to get some of these different colors, especially in fine liners. So I told them that, especially the small tip, that's it, small nib size. So I told him that, and he said, awesome, I'll put something together and throw it in the mail. I had zero idea of what it would be, or what would be included. I was like, oh cool, maybe I'll get a pen set. That would be super cool. So this beast of a box shows up a week and a half later, I believe. And I was like, wow, this is a lot. Maybe they just used a lot of packing material. Nope, it's stacked to the brim. It's just full of stuff. So, starting off with this, it says, hi Isaac, here are some art supplies for you. Best, Sakura pen pals. It's a really cute note, and it's handwritten, so it's very sweet. And this is just like a little sample platter where you can use the pens and give them a test drive. It's like they would have this at the, like in an art supply store, they'd have this next to the Sakura supplies, and you could test out each and every one on these little swatches. So there's like this, and there's some other colored, here we go, other colored pieces of paper that you can try drawing on, and so on and so forth. So it's really cool and very sweet and very cute. This was super cool. I turned, when I opened this, I saw this and I was like, cool, little pencil pouch, but it's got all this on it, and this is adorable. I love it. And it's got pencils. I didn't even tell them I use pencils. I don't normally, but these are really nice. 0.5 millimeter, 0.7 millimeter, and 0.9 millimeter. I don't think I have any 0.9. I've got like a number 2 or like a 2 millimeter mechanical pencil like this. So these are super cool. And then these little guys. Oh yeah, and the eraser. So they sent me this sumo grip eraser. It's super cute and it's real squishy. And then these pins. Put on some clothing. And there's a jelly roll one, and then this one's one of their pens. Yeah, one of their cool little pens. It's adorable. I love it. Toss everything back in here real quick. Yeah. Okay. So then, get into a little bit of the meat. This one's just a black pen, different sizes, 0.25, 0.35, 0.45 millimeter size, and they're all black noir. I think it says down there. Yeah, so this is just a standard pen set, smaller pen set. These are super cool. These are brushes. So they've got small, medium, and large brush. All black there too. So you can use like, yeah, stronger, darker black. Yeah, bigger lines. Gel pens. I thought this was cool. I haven't used a gel pen since 7th grade. It's been like 25 years. But these are cool because they're different sizes. There's a 0.5 mil, or no, the 0.45, 0.8, 8 millimeter, and then 1 millimeter. Oh, this one isn't. Okay, that directly reflects. So hard to, there it is. 0.5, 0.8, 1. So those are the millimeter sizes of each, which is super cool because I can use it on darker pieces of paper. Then these are their plastic nib. I haven't used the plastic nibs before, so this will be a really fun experiment. And it's different colors, so I can make bigger lines with these guys. And these are their 0.45 millimeter nib size. I'm really excited about those. That'll be a fun addition to my arsenal. And I don't know where I'm going to put all these. I'm running out of space for art supplies. This is a standard set of colors, but this is cool because this is their 0.25 millimeter size, so it's tiny. So I can do of the same color a larger pen stroke, going all the way up to the big guys over here, the 0.45. And then this one I'm real excited about. This is their gray tones. There's a dark gray and a light gray. I have these. I don't have those. So it'll be really cool to use these. And it's 0.25, 0.45, 0.5, and then 0.6 millimeter all the way across the board except for these guys. Those are just black. But this is so cool because I can start with black in the middle, and then I can feather it out to lighter and lighter shades of gray. So it'll be really cool to use that and make a gradient. This is their black pen tip, or black pen set. There we go. So it starts at 0.15 millimeter, which is small, all the way going up to 0.7 and 0.45 for the plastic nib tip. So this is just a standard set, which is also very cool because I've never tried their full set. I've tried a couple of them, but I've never tried their full set. These are gel pens. Again, I haven't used gel pens, and these are retractable. This is just their standard pen tip size, classic gel pen. Super neat. Cover that guy up. That's cute. These are also really, really cool. So this is colored brushes. Colored brush. So I can do bigger blocks of color with these. Oh, that's so cool. Yeah. And then, oh, it slid all the way down. And then this was also really cool because it's got different colors. Can we see the colors? Just a little bit. Yeah, I've got the different colors. This is their 0.45. So I've got most of these in this set already. This guy. But yeah, fresh set. I don't think there's brown in here. Yeah, there is. But that's okay. This is still great. I'm really excited. I don't know if I have that green. I don't know. I need to crack them open and try them. And then there's this one, which was the small. Yeah, this is the small colored sets. These are all 0.25, 0.2 millimeter. So they're small. So that's really cool that I can now make finer lines with color. I haven't been able to do that yet. Yeah, like some of these were only available because we don't have a good art store here in my town. So it's always kind of a gamble as to what I can get, and Amazon doesn't always have everything. So the only one that I would be able to get some of these in was a large set. So this is really cool. And this is a 0.45 millimeter, and this is just another pen set. And then lastly, yeah, 0.35, 2 black ones, and then a brown, blue, green, and red. And I think this is a little sun faded because this is supposed to be a little bit different shade of green for that one. So I have all of these already, but I'm totally happy with that. And then this is a little booklet of like what the sets are, little history of what they got, that sort of thing, which is also very cool to get. This was above and beyond. I had zero idea of what would be sent to me, and this is insane to me. I never ever would have expected this. I'm blown away by the generosity of Sakura, and I'll be using these for years. This is fantastic. I can't wait to dive into those grays wherever the heck they went. Boom, right there. Yeah. So I'll be posting in the description. I'll have a link to their website along with a few of these different ones that you can test out yourself. Most of these are available on Amazon, like I said, but some of them aren't. But this was such an amazing surprise. I never ever expected this. So thank you so much, Sakura. I'm just, blown away by gratitude. So thank you. If you have questions or anything, you let me know. Otherwise, you can go check out their products on their website, and we'll see you in the next one. Oh, poopy. Well, I done goofed. So let's rewind.